Hi foodies, in this video we're making curry PigTail for the first time and even trying it, so let's get into it. First, start by boiling the PigTail in clean water twice. The first boil helps clean it up and the second boil goes a little longer so it gets more tender. I don't have a pressure cooker, so it helps soften it, and also some of that extra salt gets cooked out. Once that's done, drain it and cut it into bite-sized pieces just like this. Now season with curry powder, onion, garlic, scallion, sweet pepper, grated ginger, and pimento seeds. Rub all that seasoning into the PigTail really well, making sure every piece is coated. Although this step is optional, let it marinate for at least an hour so that the flavor can soak in. Once it's ready, heat oil in a pot and burn the curry until fragrant. Add the PigTail and stir everything together until nicely coated. Then add water, cover, and let it simmer. As it cooks, the flavor gets even richer. When the liquid starts reducing, just gonna add Scotch bonnet pepper, thyme, and a little all-purpose, and then you can taste and adjust as needed. Mix that in for about 5 minutes, then taste again and adjust. Then add potatoes and carrots with more water. Leave it to cook until everything is tender and the gravy thickens down just how you like it. And that's how you make curry PigTail. That is rich in curry flavor, a little spicy, tender pieces, and a thick gravy over rice. Also, I used yellow rice and it was absolutely delicious. Well, thank you guys for watching. Big up on yourself and make sure to subscribe.